Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to check the battery health of your Samsung phone. It's a quick and easy process, so let's dive right in. First, unlock your Samsung phone and swipe up to access the app drawer. Look for the Samsung Members app. If you don't have it installed, you can download it from the Google Play Store, but normally it should be already installed in the cell phone. Next, on the main screen, you will see Diagnostics button. Tap on that button, then tap on Phone Diagnostics. Here, you'll see a list of diagnostic options. Tap on Battery. The app will now run a quick diagnostic on your battery. In a few seconds, you'll see the battery status, including the battery power, device and battery capacity, and battery life. The battery health status will be displayed as good, normal, or poor. And that's it. You've successfully checked the battery health of your Samsung phone. If your battery health is good, you're all set. If it's normal or poor, you might want to consider getting your battery replaced to ensure optimal performance. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.